Education for Sustainable Development (ESD), including sustainable Education for Sustainable Development (ESD), including sustainable environment. Introduction. Education for Sustainable Development (ESD) means teaching people how to live in a way that protects the environment, respects others, and uses resources wisely so that future generations can also enjoy a good life. It combines environmental education, social responsibility, economic awareness, and cultural values. India, being a large and diverse country, needs ESD to solve problems like pollution, poverty, climate change, deforestation, and inequality. Meaning of sustainable development. Sustainable development means using natural resources like water, land, air, and forests wisely, meeting present needs without harming the needs of future generations, balancing economic growth, environmental protection, and social well-being. Meaning of Education for Sustainable Development (ESD). ESD is a type of education that teaches how to care for the planet, helps people become responsible citizens, promotes values like equality, peace, justice, respect, and cooperation, encourages critical thinking, problem solving, and eco friendly behavior. Key objectives of ESD: create awareness about environmental problems, promote eco friendly habits like saving water, planting trees, reducing waste, teach sustainable practices in farming, energy, transport, etc. Encourage participation in protecting nature. Develop skills to solve local and global issues. Role of ESD in promoting sustainable environment. 8. Environmental protection. Teaches children and adults to avoid pollution, deforestation, and plastic use. Promotes clean energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. Though conservation of resources. Teaches Teen RS reduce, reuse, recycle. Encourages people to save water, electricity, and fuel. Teen Climate Change Awareness. Helps students understand global warming and its effects. Encourages actions to reduce carbon footprints like cycling, carpooling. 4. Biodiversity preservation. Makes people aware of the importance of plants, animals, forests, and rivers. Encourages tree plantation and wildlife protection. 5. Sustainable lifestyle habits. Promotes healthy eating, natural farming, and eco-friendly choices. Indian concept of ESD. India has a rich cultural tradition of living in harmony with nature. Ancient texts like the Vedas, Upanishads, and Gandhian philosophy talk about simple living and high thinking, respect for all life forms, ahimsa, non-violence, and coexistence. Panchabhutas, 5 natural elements: earth, water, fire, air, sky. Mahatma Gandhi believed that the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Government initiatives in India to promote ESD. Environmental Studies (EVS) in school curriculum, classes 8 to 8. National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 includes ESD. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan promotes cleanliness and hygiene. Namami Gange mission to clean the Ganga River. Eco clubs in schools, students take part in tree planting, rallies, poster making. Green Schools program to make schools eco-friendly. International collaboration with UNESCO for SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. Role of teachers and schools in ESD. Teachers should create awareness through projects, nature walks, debates, and activities. Teach students to respect nature and use resources wisely. Use local examples like rivers, forests, and festivals, e.g., Van Mahotsav. Schools can set up herbal gardens, rainwater harvesting, and waste management systems. Celebrate Earth Day, Environment Day, Water Day with student participation. Challenges in implementing ESD in India. Curriculum, not enough time for ESD. Less awareness in rural and tribal areas. Students and parents focus more on marks than real life skills. Suggestions for improvement. Train all teachers in sustainability education. Include local environmental issues in textbooks. Use digital tools and storytelling to make ESD interesting. Involve community, NGOs, and local bodies in school activities. Conclusion. Education for sustainable development is the key to creating a better future for all. It helps individuals and society to think, act, and live responsibly. In the Indian context, ESD matches our cultural values and environmental traditions. To build a green, healthy, and peaceful India, we must give ESD a central role in our education system.